Locations enable you to provide more detailed information about buildings and areas within them, especially if the building is large or composed of multiple floors, rooms, areas, and so on. This helps emergency first responders find you in less time and provides clear direction for them when navigating the building. Once locations are entered manually or imported, they are viewable via the E911 Locations page within the configuration menu. To view a location, expand the configuration menu and select E911 Locations. Display Mode Buildings provides a table of buildings in an expandable list. Expand the building entry for which you want to view a given location via the button to the left of the building name. Locations will display the following information once a building is expanded: location name, info, and phone number alternate ID. More details about the location can be viewed by selecting the icon in the Details column. To add locations, you must have already added a building. Click the Building Display Mode and use the chevron button to expand the building. Next, click the Add Location button and complete the following fields as required. Identification type. Choose phone number or select alternate ID if the location does not use a phone with a traditional direct inward dial DID phone number. Name. Enter unique name for the location. Location name will not display at the PSAP but will be used for internal alerts. Phone number alternate ID. This field displays depending on the identification type chosen. This field is optional. Use this if the location is being statically mapped to a phone number or an extension. Location information. Enter the floor, room number, suite number, or apartment number that corresponds to the location. Location information supports up to 60 characters, but not all PSAPs can currently display 60 characters. RedSky recommends putting the most relevant location information in the first 20 characters. Override organization name. Toggling this option allows you to provide a different name for the building, or additional information that will appear at the PSAP when a 911 call is placed from any of its locations. HTML link URL. This is used to provide additional notification information. A link placed here can be used to provide a mapping display, an image, or additional location-specific information. Click Save when done. The new location appears under the building chosen. To edit a location, click the Options menu next to the desired building and select Edit. Make changes to the following fields as needed, and click Save. To delete a location, click the Options menu next to the desired building and select Delete. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. The location has been successfully deleted.